This tutorial shows you how to get it installed and ready to use on your laptop. First, open your browser. Go to the official CapCut website. After that, click Free Download at the top of the page. From there, wait for the installer file to finish downloading. At this point, open the downloaded setup file. Click Yes if prompted by User Account Control. In the next step, the installer will begin automatically, so wait for it to complete. Following this, once installed, CapCut will open on its own. Once done, sign in with your Google, Facebook, or email account. From here, you'll land on the CapCut home screen ready to start a new project. Keep in mind, CapCut PC requires a stable internet connection during installation since it downloads additional resources in the background. Finally, click New Project to begin editing your first video. And that's it. If this guide helped you download CapCut on PC, give it a like, subscribe for more PC tutorials, and tap the bell icon for updates. See you in the next one.